What's up, guys? Tim here, just getting in from work. We did a pocket dump. Check that out. And then we got a package in the mail today. We got a Kaiser. Kaisers come with this little black envelope. It's got a cleaning cloth. We got the Kaiser Hiccup. Linen micarta. Kaiser has some of the best micarta. This is not a review. This is a first impressions of what I think of the knife. First thing I see that we do have a reversible pocket clip for the lefties. That's a good thing. The pocket clip is not inset. We have open construction. It's a button lock. Let's see how the action is. Very smooth with the reverse flick. Some oil off here. I like the blade shape. Button is very smooth. Reverse flick's good. That front flipper has jimping up and around. What I like to see. Oh yeah, it's good. Thumb flick is good. Kaiser always. Oh, okay. So they gave you a set of thumb studs with this one. I guess it goes in the hole there. I don't think I'll put those on for mine. The action's just fine. So we have linen micarta. Kaiser's micarta is some of the best micarta on the market. We have a spoon clip, open construction. Looks like T8 hardware. See if it's T6 or T8. Pivot is T8. The rest of it, construction, is T6. We got a 154 cm blade steel. The Kaiser Hiccup there on the back. I really like that blade. The designer is Azo on this, the same one that made the drop bear. Let's do some size comparisons. About the same size as the bug out butt to butt. Spyderco PM2, shorter than the PM2. Let's bring in the today's carry. The Voss Deep Nightshade, larger than the Nightshade, and then the other today's carry was the Sin-Cut Glide Strike, shorter than the Glide Strike. Cutting edge, we have right at 3 inches, which is really good for this size knife. Looks like we have a satin finish on the blade. Kaiser here, we got swedges. I really like this little knife so far. The jimping right here has got really good traction on it. It's a button lock. Feels really good. She's solid. No slip, no failure. Kaiser Hiccup. 154 cm. Linen micarta. Steel liners. Does have a lot of milling on the inside there, guys. The button does stick kind of proud there. It's kind of inset right here. But once it fires out there, it's out there. Very smooth action. Let's weigh it. 3.2 ounces. Kaiser Hiccup. I like it. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. I think that blade shape is really cool. It kind of gets fatter, broader at the tip. But this is the same designer that made the drop bear. Does come with a set of thumb studs. I may try those on at a later date, but the action's really good. Don't need them right now. Front flipper, once again, has that jimping up and around where it grabs your skin. Won't have no problem front flipping it or anything. Kaiser Hiccup. First thoughts and impressions. Stay sharp.